Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So previously we have done this one valid triangle. So one, two, three, four, five, six more left for us to learn all the patterns from two pointers. So let's complete. Let's try to complete this in 2 days. So the problem we are now doing is this one. It is okay, it's categorized into other portion. So let it be. And shortest unsorted contiguous subarray. It's a medium level problem. 500, lead code 581. Shortest unsorted continuous subarray. We are given an integer array nums. Okay, we have a array of integers. You need to find one subarray such that if you only sort this subarray in non-decreasing order, okay, then the whole array will be sorted in non-decreasing order. Okay, got it. So guys, you have to find such a subarray where if we sort that particular thing, the entire array should be sorted. We have to return such sorted subarray. So here 6 is greater than 4 and 8 is less than 10. So 10 is greater than or 8. So if we sort, wait a minute, 9 is less than 10. So if we sort this array, the entire nums will be sorted. And in this case, uh, just let's do one thing. Let's keep L equals to 0 to comma R. Sorry. I will just we have to find the maximum value. So max min value equals to maximum of nums minimum of nums. Keep the pointer 2 15. 15 is fine with 9. Not 9 is not fine, it's 10. And here 2 is fine with 6, but 6 is not fine with 4. This length of one. I have an idea. We can do one thing simply. The length will be 110 to the power of 4, right? So once f max equals to those lines. And the this is the length of lungs. And length of length of m is equal to 1, while equal to is equal to and length of length of minus 1. Try submitting it now, and if it works fine, let's discuss in future. Well, this is working fine. Let's see the optimal solution. Well, anyway, here it is to here we have to take a separate list. So instead of doing that, we are doing it in a different way. So the intuition is simple. We sorted the array and stored it here, and we are seeing how many of the values from both the array are in place. We are checking for the left values and the right values, like how many of them are in place. So finally we are doing r minus l plus 1, which are the remaining middle values. So if the right and left are not required, it will give the entire length of the array. So I hope you guys understood, and if you like the video, put it, share it with your friends. If you like the content on the channel, subscribe to the channel, and keep pushing hard, keep learning, guys. Meet you again with another video. Until then, goodbye.